Hello friends, my name is Radha. Today we'll discuss about a topic rolling wave planning. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management. If you are a student and studying project management in university, or you are planning to give exam of PMP, so with respect to PMP exam point of view, this is a very important topic. At least 3 to 4 questions will definitely be there in the exam in which your concept related to rolling wave planning will be judged. Secondly, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a IT project manager and software development manager, so again your concept related to rolling wave planning is very important, and your concept should be clear to so that you can use this concept in your professional life of project management. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Rolling wave planning. Friend, first of all, this is a topic which is directly related to the concepts of project management, and we have taken this topic from PMPOK, Project Management Body of Knowledge. Uh, First of all, we have to understand what is a project. Friend, as per the definition of PMPOK, project is a temporary thing which has a beginning and ending point, and it gives you a unique output, product, or service or result. That is called as project. So friend, project has two very important ingredients. One is temporary and one is unique. So every project is temporary, means that it will finish after some time, and it is unique, like we are implementing it on the first time. So every project is temporary, every project is unique. Like for example, if you are building a house, it's a project. If you are building a flyover, it's a project. If you are implementing e-commerce solution, so it's a project. If you are implementing a new business process in an organization, so it's a project. So project means that it is temporary, it will finish after some time, it is unique, and we are implementing it on the first time. Now friend, the rolling wave planning, this topic is directly related to project. Now how it could relate with the project? See, rolling wave planning is a project management technique that involves progressive elaboration to add detail to the work breakdown structure on an ongoing basis. At the beginning of the project, near time deliverables are decomposed into individual components and defined at the greatest level of detail. Deliverables and schedule activities that will take place several reporting periods in the future are more broadly defined. See, friend, this was only a definition. Let me give you an example here. Friend, the rolling wave planning is a progressive elaboration approach. Now, what does it mean by progressive elaboration? Progressive elaboration means that, friend, see what happened that whenever we start a project, so the things, the stages which are near to us, we can get detail about it. However, the things which are far, so we just give a high level estimates or high level thinking about it, and detailed thinking we will do it at a later stage. For what doesn't mean actually? See, for example, you have initiated a project of e-commerce solution implemented. Okay, now the if you are in a planning phase, okay, so we will give a detailed thinking, a detail more time or detailed planning related to scoping, functional specifications, designing, and less thinking about the production deployment. Why? Because currently we are in a phase of planning. Once we reach in the development phase, then we give more time, more drill down thinking about development, like how we will do the development, who will do the development, and less time to production deployment. Once we reach in the production deployment stage, then we give more time, more thinking about the production deployment. So actually what is the approach there? The approach is progressive elaboration. That means the phases which are near to us, we give more detail time, more detailed thinking about it, and like we will think about in a detail or drill down level, we think about it. And the phases which are far, like for example production deployment is far, UAT user acceptance testing is far, so the stages or the phases which are far, we give less time to it, where less drill down level is. We at a drill down level we think about when we reach there. This is the approach of rolling wave planning, that is called as progressive elaboration. Progressive elaboration mean that with the passage of time, when the things which are near to us, the phases which are near to us, we think more about it, and the phases which are far, so we will less think about it, and we think more when we reach the level, then we think more about it. We drill down the level when we reach up the level. That is called an for example, another example. For example, phase 1 and 2 might be broken down fully in the WBS. WBS means work breakdown structure, like you are decomposing the project. Phase 3 and 6 might be outlined only to the level of sub projects. Then, while schedule activities for phase 1 are underway, the detailed planning for phase 3 would commence. As phase 2 is put in motion, planning for phase 4 would start out, so forth. So that means, friend, basically the concept is that, for example, just take an example here. For example, we have we have 4 phases of a project. What are the 4 phases? For example, planning, development, testing, and production deployment. Okay, these are the 4 phases of projects. So as per the concept of progressive elaboration, what we can do, like for example, if we are like for example what we are working on the planning phase, for example, so we think more about, we drill down the development phase, and for the production deployment, we can think later actually. Like think later means that the high level planning will be done. Once we reach near to it, then we start thinking about it. For example, once the development start, the detail level planning will start. Once the development phase start, then we will think more about testing planning. Okay, once the testing will start, so we will start planning for production deployment. So that is called as the concept of progressive elaboration. With the passage of time, we progressively elaborate the things, we progressively elaborate. So thanks a lot, friend. That's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.